Today we're taking a closer look at three tech giants, Intel, AMD, and Apple. These companies have been at the forefront of the tech industry for years, and their stocks have seen some interesting movements recently. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just curious about what's driving the market, this breakdown will help you understand the current state of these stocks. So buckle up, grab your coffee, and let's dive into the numbers, the trends, and the future of these tech titans. From the phones in our pockets to the data centers powering the cloud, Intel, AMD, and Apple are everywhere, and their performance has a ripple effect across the entire market. Let's start with Intel. As one of the largest semiconductor companies in the world, Intel has been a key player in the development of computer processors for decades. But in recent years, Intel has faced increased competition, especially from AMD, who has been making big strides in the processor market with its Ryzen and EPIC chips. For years, Intel was synonymous with processing power, their Intel Inside sticker a badge of honor on laptops and desktops worldwide. But the tech world moves fast, and Intel, despite its size and resources, has struggled to keep up with the pace of innovation in certain areas. They've faced delays in their manufacturing process, allowing competitors like AMD to catch up and even surpass them in terms of performance per dollar. Companies like Apple are designing their own chips, the M1 and M2, specifically for their devices, further challenging Intel's dominance. This shift in the landscape has put pressure on Intel's stock price, which has lagged behind the broader tech market in recent years. They still hold a significant market share, especially in the data center market, where their Xeon processors are widely used. Plus, they've got a new CEO, Pat Gelsinger, who's been shaking things up, investing heavily in manufacturing and new technologies. They're pouring billions into building new factories in the US and Europe, aiming to regain their manufacturing edge and reduce reliance on Asian foundries. Next up, AMD. Over the past few years, AMD has taken significant market share away from Intel in the processor space thanks to its strong product lineup, including Ryzen processors for desktops and laptops, as well as EPIC chips for data centers. We're talking about a company that was, for a while there, left for dead. They were the underdog, the David to Intel's Goliath, struggling to compete against a company with seemingly endless resources. But AMD, under the leadership of CEO Lisa Su, made some incredibly smart decisions. They focused on developing processors with a better price-to-performance ratio, appealing to budget-conscious consumers and businesses alike. AMD's processors also boasted better energy efficiency, a crucial factor in laptops and mobile devices. This combination of performance, price, and efficiency propelled AMD's market share upwards, eating into Intel's dominance. AMD's stock price has skyrocketed in recent years, outperforming Intel and the broader market by a wide margin. The question remains, can AMD maintain this momentum? Can they continue to innovate and hold off Intel's renewed push? Chapter 3. Apple, the house that Jobs built, now a chip powerhouse. And finally, we have Apple, a company that doesn't need much of an introduction. Apple has long been known for its premium consumer electronics like the iPhone, Mac, and Apple Watch, but it's also a force in the stock market. But Apple's not just about hardware. They've built a massive ecosystem of software and services, from their App Store to Apple Music, generating billions in recurring revenue. This ecosystem creates a powerful moat around their business, making it difficult for users to switch to competitors. The M1 and M2 chips, designed in-house, power their latest Macs and iPads, and they've been met with rave reviews. These chips offer incredible performance and power efficiency, rivaling, and in some cases surpassing, chips from Intel and AMD. For investors, Apple represents a different kind of opportunity. They're a tech behemoth with a diversified business model, a loyal customer base, and a track record of innovation. Ultimately, each of these stocks offers something different depending on your investment goals. Whether you're looking for long-term growth, high risk and reward, or stability, there's a play for every investor. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more stock analysis. Outro music fades out.